Good morning, students. This is Chunarkar sir. Today I am going to explain you semester 5th syllabus. Before I start, I welcome you for the virtual online class. Due to COVID-19, we are unable to interact face to face, but I hope this will definitely help you to come out of the situation and begin your study. I hope you enjoy. Let me start. Are you ready? Okay. First of all, I explain you your same fifth syllabus for English subject. It contains two parts. Part 1 theory and part 2 internal assessment, that is practical exam. Your theory paper consists of 60 marks and practical 40. As you know it very well, one more important announcement, friends. You have to score 21 marks out of 60 to pass the theory paper. You got it? Okay. May I continue? Okay. Next, you have 6 units to study for theory exam. Unit 1, okay. Unit 1, prose and poem. You have one prescribed textbook for prose and poem study. I will provide it to you, don't worry. Students, college has decided to provide you notes unit wise. Therefore, I sent you unit 1 notes on your WhatsApp group. After this, we will send you the next. Okay? Okay. In prose, you have 4 lessons to go through. The first, facts about English. Second, power of love. Third, on behavior. And fourth, child marriage. In poetry, there are 3 poems. First, Wanderthirst. Second, Passage to India. And third, Trees. Unit 1 has total 20 marks. Okay? Hello? One more thing. If you have any doubt or question, please send me your message on my personal WhatsApp number. ठीक है? Now unit 2. Vocabulary section. Unit 2 is vocabulary section. It has 5 marks for your university examination. It contains first Words commonly misused and confused. See the first topic, words commonly misused and confused. This is grammar based question also, because we study error in grammar. It is a fill in the blank type question. The second is synonyms, means find similar word, and the third one is antonyms, getting opposite word. Next, unit 3, grammar section. It has 10 marks for your university examination. I hope you are familiar with the contents in the grammar, like kind of sentences, tense, concord or agreement of the verb with the subject. That is a type of an error, or you can call it subject verb agreement. The next is change the voice. You know it. Change the degree. Direct indirect speech, clauses, simple complex and compound sentence, affirmative and negative sentence, and the final last interrogative and assertive sentence. Okay, there are 10 questions approximately asked, and you have to write the transformation of given question. And now next is unit 4, essay writing. There is, you have to write one short essay of near about 300 words on any contemporary or national and social importance topic. I will provide you many essay books available on internet and our e-library, so you may read many articles and essays to go handy with this topic of essay writing. And even I hope you are familiar with this one, because you have been writing essays since your 10th class. Okay, so you get 10 marks on this topic. Next is unit 5, precise writing. It is a 1/3 of paragraph. You even name it summary writing. So a passage is given and you have to make it short, getting main important and subordinative details of the passage. Okay, then unit 6 is unseen passages. So you know very well that in UPSC and MPSC examination, comprehension passages are asked. Now our first year syllabus is designed with the concept of comprehension. So passages are provided, unseen passages are provided, and it is asked to write answer from questions and answers from the passage. So in your syllabus there is one passage from any essay topic or an article and one stanza from any poetry section. So you have to write each 5 question for passage. So 10 marks are given for comprehension. So this is your complete 60 mark theory paper, theory syllabus. And now second part, that is internal assessment, 40 marks. It has 4 contents. The first is assignment and attendance. So means your internal marks are given to you on basis of your attendance in class as well as project or assignments given to you. The second is your conversational skill, how you can communicate with us. The third is interview techniques, that is very important for your interview. So you get a good practice of your mock interviews if you go through with this interview technique and discussion topic. So each 10 marks are provided. So it will help you for getting well in your interview technique as well as your personal communication, interaction with others. So it has 40 marks. So 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 marks. So 100 marks are given. Okay. Now there is a list of books recommended for your study. First is 100 Common Error in English by R.V. Bhaskar. Second book is Effective English Communication for You by V. Shamala. Third is English for College and Competitive Examination by R. Dwadhwan. And the fourth is Interview at a Glance. This is from Sudha Publication, New Delhi. So there is one prescribed book and some other reference books are provided, so you can study well for your examination. Okay, I hope I have given you more detail about your syllabus and paper pattern. So let we begin from our next virtual online class, our unit first. So I hope you will begin your study. Till then, bye.